viewers, welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So here in last video I gave to information how to swap one coin to other coin. I already gave to information how to deposit in your Ether wallet, but in this video I am giving to information how to withdraw amount from your Ether wallet or transfer your fund from Ether wallet to other wallet. So you must watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So now I'm going to open my Ether wallet account because today I'm going to give you information how to transfer fund, means how to send money from your Ether wallet to other wallet. In this video we are going to transfer fund from my Ether wallet to Atomic wallet. This video is only for just information purpose. I have not balance this time, but if you use same scenario, so you can easily withdraw fund from your Ether wallet to other wallet. First I need to access my wallet. I select the keystore file and log in. Enter my password here. Now going to access my Ether wallet. You can see here my Ether wallet website is open in front of me, and this is my wallet address, and there will be shown your balance here. I have not this time balance, but this video is only for demonstration purpose. You can use same scenario and you can easily withdraw from your my Ether wallet. I have also opened my Atomic wallet because today I'm going to show you how can you get the address and where you can paste and how to send the money from your Ether wallet to other wallet. So let's suppose you have balance in your this portion 1 Ether and you want to transfer, withdraw or send money from your Ether wallet to other wallet. So how can you can see here in your left side, the second option is that send. Already I gave to information deposit, but this video is only for transfer money. When you click on send this option, you can see here there is option available, type, amount and address. First you need to type which one you want to transfer from your Ether wallet to other wallet. Let's suppose if I click on it, so there is I have IOV wallet. If I click on it, so I have 10 IOV, but I want to transfer Ether to my Atomic wallet. So what will I do? So I just simple click on my Ether and enter the amount. Let's suppose you have 1 Ether. Going to enter 1 Ether, and you need to enter address here. So where you can do that. So I going to enter my or open my Atomic wallet. I have entered password here. Now going to Atomic wallet, open. Atomic wallet is open in front of me, and you can see here there is the Ether wallet. If I click on it, so there's two options available, send and receive. If you want to withdraw amount from my Ether wallet website to Atomic wallet, so you need to click on receive and you will get the recipient address. This is your recipient address. This is your recipient address. You just simple copy this recipient address from the Atomic wallet and going to paste here. When you have paste here, so you must cross check you have paste here correctly or not. Like first two digits, you must cross check first two digits and last two digits. What is the first two digits? OX or last two digits that 84. So I'm going to again cross check correct. Yes, you can see here the first two is OX and last is 84, means 0x or 84. And then you could click on the downside and how much cost. If you want to send 1 Ether from your my Ether wallet to other wallet, so how much you will be pay amount. So cost is available here 0.0015 and in shape of USD $1.69, means this fees is very low this time, but sometimes Ether fee is very high, so you don't make any transaction when the fee is high, so you have to wait for this when the fees decrease. So this time is if I want to send 1 Ether to my Atomic wallet, so I just pay $1.69 fee in shape. And after that, you can see here there is the data and gas limit. If you want to select on this, so you can also use the customized fees here, but I don't want to use, so I just going to hide. After cross-check all things like your balance and your recipient address, and after that your fee, then you can simple click on send the transaction. When you click on the send the transaction, so new pop-ups open front of you where you can get the information where going to send the money and how much you are paying to fees, and then you will easily click on confirm. So after some time you will be receive amount in your Atomic wallet ether address, means this address, and you will easily check your balance on this portion. So this is method is very easy way. You can easily transfer, withdrawal, or send money from a ether wallet to any other wallet. You can use any other coin if you want to send, like if you have balance on any other wallet, so you just simple click that wallet and get the address from your where you want to receive money and paste here, and after that will show fee here, and then you can easily make the transaction from ether wallet to other wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, and Litecoin from this website. And if you are going to click on all coin, you can see here I already make the many videos about Exodus, Digibyte, Coinbase, Bitcoin Diamond, Jax Wallet, Binance, Electrum, Namecoin, VeChain, Trust Wallet, Tronlink, Pro, Guada Wallet, and Coinomi Wallet, Green Address Wallet. So if you want to get the information about, let's suppose, Bitcoin Diamond or Jax Wallet, so you click on this tab. After that, new page will be open in front of you where you can get the information about the this wallet. So I'm going to close this ad. You can see here how to exchange Bitcoin to other crypto in Jax wallet. If you are using Jax wallet, you can easily exchange Bitcoin to other crypto. Fund transfer Jax wallet to Atomic wallet. Import paper wallet into Jax Chrome extension. How to customize crypto wallets. Transferring crypto Atomic to Jax wallet, depositing crypto into Jax wallet Chrome extension. How to more secure Jax wallet Chrome extension, means I have made already many videos about many cryptocurrency wallets on my website. You just simple go to the Google and type the cryptowalletsinfo.com, and after that this website open in front of you. You can easily get the information any wallet from this website. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.